Hey there YouTube, it's Wes Wiegert. I'm just here to play a little song for you I learned in Music 123 at the University of Kentucky. It's called Happy Birthday. I'm sure you've heard of it. And it goes like this. And just like that, you've played Happy Birthday. Don't ask me to write it down for you because I don't know how. But I hope this helps. If you would like some more guitar lessons with Wes, just hit the subscribe button. There's going to be lots of these to come. If you'd like to learn how to cook, please hit my Instagram page, Wes_recipes. That's WES_recipes. If you don't know how to spell recipes, look it up on Google. I didn't know how to spell recipes, and that's what I did. So, yeah, I hope this helped. That was Happy Birthday, and I'll see you later.